Welcome. Today we're diving into an exciting opportunity, mastering full-stack infrastructure through a unique 180-day roadmap. We'll explore why traditional engineering training often falls short, outline the incredible skills you'll build, and discover the innovative daily learning method. Finally, we'll see how this course directly addresses common pain points faced by engineers like you. Let's get started. Have you ever felt like you're learning pieces of a puzzle but can't see the whole picture? Traditional training often creates fragmented knowledge, leading to hesitation and imposter syndrome when shipping. This course fixes that. It provides a continuous 180-day roadmap connecting all the dots, offering daily practical tasks to build real muscle memory for shipping reliable infrastructure. No more guessing. By the end, you won't just know things. You'll ship, operate, and explain them confidently. Imagine a portfolio of 3 production-grade services, mastering automated testing, CI/CD, and end-to-end observability. You'll also develop clear operational playbooks. This course is ideal for early career to mid-level engineers, backend or front-end devs needing infra skills, bootcamp grads, and founders ready to be their own first SRE. What makes this course truly different? It's all about the method. You'll engage in micro projects, 180 days, each with a focused, achievable task to ship. This is project-first learning. Every lesson integrates tests, monitoring, and deployment from day one. We start with progressive complexity, evolving a simple API into a scalable system. Plus, an ops mindset is baked in, ensuring you always think about how to operate what you build. So, to recap, this course transforms you from someone with fragmented knowledge into a confident shipper of real systems. You'll build a demonstrable portfolio that stands out in interviews and gain a repeatable playbook for any new product or job. This isn't just about learning tools, it's about mastering the entire infrastructure lifecycle. Are you ready to stop feeling overwhelmed and start building reliable systems? Begin your 180-day journey and unlock your full-stack potential today.